Hello friends, my name is Sonali Saripalli. I am a chartered accountant and MBA finance by profession. I worked with Wipro and Credit Suisse for a few years and later on shifted to education sector where I worked with a leading management institute in Pune. Later on, I started my own consultancy firm and business. I'm a technical and creative writer and have many research papers to my credit. I'm an expert author in easyarticles.com and my articles are widely acclaimed across the world. I'm attached to many educational institutions in Pune and also on board of studies of few of them. I'm also an orientation faculty for Institute of Chartered Accountants of India where we orient budding CAs and newly qualified CAs. Friends, year 2020 was a very challenging year for all of us, and this was the year where we got a little time to introspect about few things. This was also the year where Skill Connect, connecting the dots between demand and supply of skills, a Facebook group exclusively for women across the geographical boundaries, was formed. When I introspected and researched more and got time for this in the pandemic, I could find that there were few people who lost jobs. Many people's businesses were running in losses. But at the same time, many people got jobs and many people's businesses flourished as well. I thought, what was the differentiating factor? Why many people are losing jobs, but at the same time, many people are getting it? And from my perspective, the only differentiating factor was skills. Skills, according to me, is specific knowledge in life's learning spectrum. Yes, friends, and this was called as life skills. Those people who had got life skills, they could face any challenges. They could create opportunity out of any challenges. And that was the concept which was behind the Skill Connect. As it is said that I got appreciation from many people for the group and the concept, but I could go a little further only. I decided to expand and diversify Skill Connect. For that, I needed a strong team. That is how now the Skill Connect was registered and Skillets Foundation, a Section 8 company, was formed. Section 8 company was formed, but this was along with a strong team members. Yes, friends, my team has strong, independent thinking women who are coming from diversified cultures, diversified professions, but they are bound together. We are bound together for a common objective, and that is women empowerment. This binds us together, and let me introduce my team members. All the directors. First one is Advocate Gauri Chandrayan ma'am. She is our mentor and guides us from time to time. Next is Dr. Prachiti Punde. She is a medical professional. She is a life and business coach as well. Another director is Dr. Mitali More. She is an entrepreneurial coach and work psychologist. Another director is Shruti Clarence. She is an image enhancer and an extremely good communication expert. We together, we have formed a strong team. I'm also happy to announce that we have got collaborations from different groups. One of the group is MLA group, whose admin is Abhilasha Belure ma'am. She is a one kind of visionary who wants to give back something to the society, who wants to do woman empowerment, who wants to make the woman strong. Another collaboration is with Sakhi Group, Sangeeta Rajguru ma'am, who supports small businesses, who supports women who run their businesses from their homes. Another legal collaboration that has happened is with Santulan Global Solutions LLP. This collaboration will give women the legal protection. This will give the woman the conciliation opportunity if something happens legally to their business. So, friends, this is how we are going ahead, and we are open for more collaborations. From we are running various programs. Right now, we are having 18 plus programs which are running offline and online also, and we are open for the partnerships with a specific purpose and collaborations. So, looking forward for more opportunities, more diversifications, and to make our Skillets Foundation stronger. Thank you so much.